When saving for retirement, many Americans make one common mistake that can seriously hurt their long-term financial goals. And chances are you might be unknowingly making it yourself. You see, most people focus too much on short-term returns or sticking to traditional methods without considering how to protect their wealth from things like inflation or market volatility. The result? Their retirement savings don't grow as much as they could, or worse, they lose value over time. So, what's the mistake? Simply relying on a 401k or traditional IRA without diversifying into assets that protect against inflation and economic downturns. Now, I know you're probably thinking that sticking with what you know makes sense, but here's the truth. These traditional retirement plans often leave you exposed to a lot of risks you might not even realize. Let me give you an example. The stock market is unpredictable. It's affected by global events, political instability, and economic shifts. And while 401ks and IRAs can offer you growth potential, they don't necessarily offer the stability you need for long-term retirement security. So, what can you do to protect your hard-earned wealth from these risks? The answer is simple. Diversify into something that has stood the test of time: gold. Gold has been a stable store of value for thousands of years. Unlike paper currency or stocks, its value doesn't depend on market fluctuations or the policies of central banks. It acts as a hedge against inflation, meaning as the value of the dollar decreases, gold's value generally increases. So if you're serious about protecting your wealth, a gold IRA is the key to long-term financial security. If you're wondering how a gold IRA could fit into your retirement strategy, let me tell you. It's one of the best ways to safeguard your savings. And if you want to learn more about why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to secure their financial future, click the first link in the description for a free guide that outlines exactly how to get started. This guide will show you how to protect your wealth in the next 2 weeks, especially if you're someone who has 100K or more in your IRA or 401k. It's a no-brainer if you're looking to build a future where your wealth is safe, even if the stock market doesn't cooperate. Now, let's get back to the mistake many retirees make. Another issue is failing to look at the bigger picture when it comes to risk. Many people think that just because they've been saving in a 401k for years, they're secure. But that's not necessarily the case. If your savings are entirely tied up in stocks, mutual funds, or bonds, you're exposed to volatility, especially as you approach retirement. And what happens if there's a market crash when you're just about to retire? You could lose a significant portion of your savings, which can be devastating if you're relying on those funds to live comfortably in your later years. This is where gold IRAs stand out. They give you a way to add tangible assets to your retirement portfolio, which helps reduce risk and protect against economic uncertainties. With a gold IRA, you get the added benefit of liquidity, meaning you can access your gold assets whenever you need them. Plus, unlike traditional retirement accounts, a gold IRA isn't tied to the ups and downs of the stock market, giving you the peace of mind you need as you approach retirement age. The best part? You can start with a modest amount and gradually build your portfolio. Or if you have significant savings, let's say 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, you can take full advantage of the protection a gold IRA offers. But here's the key. Gold IRAs aren't just for people who are thinking of retirement in the distant future. They're for anyone looking to protect their wealth today. Whether you're already retired or just starting to think about your future, it's never too late to make the switch. So, if you want to ensure your wealth is protected, no matter what the future holds, consider a gold IRA. It's the safest way to diversify your retirement savings and build a more secure financial future. For those of you who have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 employees in savings, this strategy is a perfect fit. Click the link in the description for your free guide and learn exactly how to secure your wealth with a gold IRA. Don't wait. Protect your retirement today.